wrinkles and fine lines. The skin tends to lose its firmness, and what you notice is a sagging skin. This is all because of collagen. Collagen production tends to slow down when we age. However, we cannot stop the aging process, but there are many things that we can do to boost the collagen production in the skin, to tighten and firm back the skin and get your skin to look younger for longer. So what I'm going to do for you today, I am going to share a simple recipe using just 3 ingredients. 3 natural ingredients that are known to help to clear the skin of hyperpigmentation, boost the collagen production in the skin, and get rid of the wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. So if you're interested in this recipe, let's get into my kitchen. I'll share the recipe with you step by step, and then I'll show you how to use it on your skin for best result. Today I'm going to be using aloe vera, and here I have a fresh aloe vera. I'm going to be extracting the aloe vera gel by taking off the outer peel. An easy way to extract the gel is to use a knife and just slide it down on both a side of the leaf, and then you go right under the upper leaf like I'm showing here in the picture. Once you remove the upper leaf, you can choose to just scrape it off, or you can choose to just cut it out with the knife. Now here we have our fresh aloe vera gel, and next I'm going to chop it in small pieces for easier blending. Aloe vera contains antioxidants, enzyme, vitamin A and vitamin C, and it is highly anti-inflammatory. It can help to treat acne on the skin. It can help to get rid of hyperpigmentation. It's also help to hydrate the skin. And when used on the regular, it will leave your skin looking clean, clear, and supple. Once the aloe vera gel has been chopped, I'm going to reach for my blender and I'm going to add the gel to my blender. Now once this is done, I am going to be blending. Now do not add any water to the blender. The aloe vera gel is going to produce its own liquid, so you want to blend as is. So blend aloe vera to a gel, and once this is done, here we have our fresh aloe vera gel. And now I'm going to pour this in a small bowl, and we're going to move on. And now we're moving on to our next ingredient, which is tomato. Here I have a plum tomato. You can use whatever kind of tomato you have. Just make sure for this recipe it is ripe tomato. So I'm going to use a half of a medium tomato, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to chop it in small pieces for easier blending. Now tomato help to protect the skin from sunburn. It helps to promote wound healing. It helps to smooth skin inflammation. It helps to stimulate collagen production, and it helps to remove dead skin cells from the surface of the skin. It also has anti-aging properties and may help to fight cellular damage. So once our tomato is chopped, I'm going to reach back for my blender, place the tomato in the blender, and as with the aloe, do not add any liquid to this. Just blend as is. The tomato will produce its own juice. And now, after blending, take a look at our tomato puree. Now let's move on to our next ingredient. My next ingredient is rice, and today I'm using purple rice. However, you can go ahead and you can use the rice you have. Purple rice contains antioxidants that will help to hydrate the skin. It will also help to clear pigmentation from the skin. But what I like best about the purple rice is that it helps to boost collagen, and it helps to smooth wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. So I'm going to use a 1/4 cup of purple rice, and I'm going to be blending this to a powder. So add the rice to the blender and blend. Now after blending, I'm going to reach for some hot water, and you need to use a very hot water. And I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of the hot water, pour this in the blender with the blended rice, and then I'm going to cover and blend a second time. What I'm making here is a purple rice cream, so blend and blend well. Now after blending, take a look. Here you have your purple rice cream, and you can choose to use this to make several other types of DIY. So let's put all the ingredients together. I'm going to use about a 1/3 cup of purple rice. Next, I'm going to reach back for the aloe vera gel, and I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of the aloe vera gel, adding this to the blender with my purple rice. And then I'm going to reach for the tomato, and I'm using 2 tablespoons of the tomato also. And now we are going to cover this, and we're going to blend to a cream. And take a look. Here we have our aloe vera rice skin brightening, hydrating, anti-aging facial mask. Now, store this in your refrigerator for up to 7 days. Now, to use this facial mask, you want to apply it to clean skin. So cleanse your skin the way you normally do, and then apply the mask all over your face. This is also good for your neck and your décolleté. Once the mask is on, you're going to leave it on the skin for at least 30 minutes. The mask is going to dry, and you're also going to feel a tightening sensation while the mask is drying on the skin. Not to worry. After 30 minutes or so, rinse off, preferably with some cold water, pat dry the skin, and apply your favorite skincare products. Now this facial mask is good to use at least 2 to 3 times per week for best result. So there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, thumbs it up, and also share and leave your comments. Those are always welcome. And if this was your first time watching, do not leave without hitting that subscribe button below. So hit the word subscribe and you will be subscribed. Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video.